drink that.
Don't drink the water here.
Watch out.
This is bad old water.
They've got more inside. Chris says their water is terrible. They're drinking water. I guess about it.